Yeah. Oh, na 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 na.
Wawiringan natin, nilagyan ko ng mga level impact. Mga gagamitin natin tools, top crimping tools, wire stripper, side cutter, screwdriver, flat, plugs, type, flat type, white type, 2.5, electrical tape, wire 2.5, black pen red. Sana nililinis na ng konti at matagal na hindi nagamit. Nga pala yung partner ko, simula na mag-wiring yan. Video lang ako dito, kaya bahala para matuto naman. Okay, start first looking the selfie. Red. Okay. Starting here to here. Left. From here. One by one. First hook type we are fixing, okay? Coming, Mavi. Full top. Your crimping, no good. Why flat? Your crimping other side. Other side crimping. Like this. Because this one is a small hole. Remove. Flat type natin fix type. .5 center.
A few inches later. A few moments later.
Wiring. Mabi, yalla. Selfie connection muna bago. 24 volts lang naman, isa lang naman yun. AC. Looping.
Okay.
Power only this side.
Power there coming, huh?
Power here 24 volts coming.
There 24 volts.
Put here. Cut. Now, good. My crimper, huh? I know why this one before too much tight. They have a setting. Malum setting? Yeah. Malum setting. Happy. Happy asking.
Oh, here adjustable give. Na full tone. This one is. Before this one here, right? The screw here, right? Now I remove and I put in last. Plus. This one plus minus there. When using 6 mm, this one goes now. 1.5, mapi coming. Yeah. Only one press, but it's loose. Same like 2.5 only you press button na release Yeah. Mapila ka? See?
A few inches later.
Now 24 volt. 24 volt. Direct here. Yes. This one mapping 24 volt. This one only looping. No need 24 volt.
Only on 24.
Only horn. Horn strobe. Yun yung horn strobe. Yun yung tumutunog once na may sagap na lusok mo apoy o init.
Meanwhile.
Ito mga to. Okay na. Bawiring. Yan yung shift tie. Ngayon ay vlog. Trip ka ng aking kasama. Yan yun kasi apat itong monitor module sa isang function module. Control module.
Sarah,
Yes, connecting SLC. Okay. Tanong pa sa isang tanong.
One eternity later.
Okay. Tapos na mag-wiring. Tapos na. I-share natin. Isang to sa horn to. Ito yung supply ng 24 volt DC at saka incoming na SLC. Tapos itong isang kable na to, ito yung out ng SLC. Kasi itong apat na kable na to, ito yung sa vertical heater na 1, 2, 3, 4. So de-dressing na natin pagkatapos okay na. Tap na natin sa main. Okay, see you.